Foam insert securely holds most broadheads in either up or down position. Clear view lid for quick and easy identification. Made of high-impact plastic, with strong snap latch and full-length, mechanical hinge. Dimensions: 4.9, L, by 5.3, W, by 2.9, H max. Broadhead length 2.7. Safe storage and transport for 16 assembled broadheads, made in USA. Top reviews from the United States. Does great. You must put the broadheads in tip down and force them into the foam. None of my broadheads, .5 kinds, would fit with the tips up. Sort of a no-brainer. When you get the box you really have little choice. Plus, safety-wise, that is the only real choice in not getting cut, sometimes putting in and taking out the broadheads. Carried this in backpack on longer bowhunting trips. Did well. Did not open in rucksack. Did not crush. I had more broadheads, I would buy another.